Hey, welcome to my channel, The Gourmet Home Guide. In this video, we try to help you find out the best multimeters on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. AstroAI TRMS 6000 Multimeter. The AstroAI TRMS 6000 Multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool for electrical testing and troubleshooting. Featuring True RMS technology, it accurately measures both AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and more. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear readings in various lighting conditions. With its auto-ranging capability and manual range selection, this multimeter offers flexibility for different tasks. The built-in NCV, non-contact voltage, detection enhances safety during electrical work. The durable design and rubberized protective casing ensure longevity in demanding environments. Equipped with a data hold function and auto shut-off feature, the AstroAI TRMS 6000 Multimeter is a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts requiring precise and efficient electrical measurements. Number 2. Innova 3320 Multimeter. The Innova 3320 Multimeter is a reliable and user-friendly tool designed for accurate electrical measurements. This auto-ranging multimeter allows for easy detection of voltage, current, resistance, and continuity in various electrical circuits. Its large digital display provides clear readings, and the color-coded LED indicators offer quick visual feedback for troubleshooting. The 10 megohm input impedance ensures accurate readings for a variety of applications. With a durable design and protective rubber corner guards, it withstands the rigors of regular use. The compact size and user-friendly interface make it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a versatile and dependable multimeter for electrical testing and diagnostics. Number 3. Fluke 117 Multimeter. The Fluke 117 Multimeter is a high-quality and professional-grade tool designed for accurate electrical measurements. With its True RMS technology, it provides precise readings of voltage, current, and frequency, even in nonlinear loads. The large digital display offers clear visibility, and the AutoVolt feature automatically selects AC or DC voltage. The built-in Volt Alert non-contact voltage detection enhances safety during electrical troubleshooting. The ergonomic design and compact size make it easy to handle in various work environments. Additionally, the low input impedance helps prevent false readings due to ghost voltage. Trusted by professionals, the Fluke 117 Multimeter is a reliable choice for electricians and technicians who require accuracy and durability in their daily electrical testing tasks. Number 4. Extech EX330 Autoranging Mini Multimeter. The Extech EX330 Autoranging Mini Multimeter is a compact and versatile tool for accurate electrical measurements. With its auto-ranging capability, it automatically selects the appropriate range for voltage, current, and resistance, making it user-friendly. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear readings in various lighting conditions. This multimeter measures AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature, catering to a wide range of applications. The built-in non-contact voltage detector adds a safety feature, while the data hold and relative mode enhance measurement efficiency. The durable and compact design, along with the protective rubber holster, makes the Extech EX330 a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers needing a portable and efficient multimeter. Number 5. Klein Tools Auto-Ranging Multimeter. The Klein Tools Auto-Ranging Multimeter is a reliable and versatile instrument designed for precise electrical measurements. With auto-ranging functionality, it effortlessly selects the appropriate measurement range for voltage, current, and resistance. The large backlit LCD display ensures clear visibility in various work environments. This multimeter accurately measures AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The built-in non-contact voltage tester enhances safety during electrical work. The durable construction and sturdy design withstand demanding job site conditions. With additional features like a low battery indicator and automatic power-off, the Klein Tools Autoranging Multimeter is a trusted choice for electricians and professionals who prioritize accuracy and reliability in their electrical testing tasks.